Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Wednesday, Federal Reserve interest rate day, guys. All the markets are in focus, and definitely we are going to have high volatility tonight, European time, of course. It's gonna be pretty interesting because it's all about the US dollar. We've seen so far from the beginning of the week the very green numbers about the consumer confidence. These could boost the inflation even higher. So practically right now the Federal Reserve have been kept away from interest rate hikes exactly because of this high CPI, high inflation. What we have this week, we've got consumer confidence green, core durable good orders bad for the US dollar. Something interesting: the new home sales went down a lot, so this is a very big indicator for the real estate market in United States. As you can see, as you know, most probably the real estate market is very important for the US economy, as for any economy, but specifically about the US is very important. We have later after that crude oil inventories today, 2:30 p.m. GMT. We're gonna take a look at the crude oil, what's going on. But just the crude is pretty interesting currently because it's staying right on the top after the correction. FOMC statement, of course, Federal Reserve interest rate decision, 6 p.m. GMT. Most probably they're gonna keep the same interest rate. I'm gonna be super surprised to see interest rate hike, at least not today. Thursday, tomorrow, we have initial jobless claims, pending home sales, 12:30 GMT is the initial jobless claims. After that, hour and a half later, 2 p.m. pending home sales, and Friday we have inflation in the eurozone, 9 a.m. GMT. So let's take a look what's going on with the charts. We've discussed that the euro US dollar is still holding the support, and absolutely possible to see 1.1835 test right now. I think today is gonna be a little bit uncertain. Exactly, just quickly to repeat, exactly because of the interest rate tonight. So, but it tested the resistance. It's crucial resistance to hold or to break out. Let's see what's gonna happen. For now, I'm not touching the euro US dollar. GBP USD much stronger than the euro, much more clear. Definitely 1.37, very big number, a round number, and very strong support level. So we've seen the last couple of days 260 pips from the bottom to the top here from the GBP on the GBP currency pair. Now slight decline to the downside, then bounce back to the upside is pretty possible. So careful by taking the buy trades right now. Australian USD still the weakest currency pair. Australian dollar is going down again, repeating. Very surprising because you know that the COVID cases in Australia are pretty few, and this supposed to you know give you very strong economy, but obviously it's giving declining Australian dollar, and it's just pretty surprising. But definitely, I think we're gonna see the majors continue going up after just Federal Reserve say we need just a little bit more time to see the inflation, and so respectively speaking, we're gonna continue printing money. New Zealand USD, kind of similar. We have test of the support so many times, 0.6942, very important support level, and bounce from here to the upside is absolutely possible. USD CAD, I'm going directly to the crude oil. 2 days ago, Mondays, tried to push lower, $1.70 drop. After that, recovered. As you can see yesterday, kind of similar, $1. Everybody's waiting for an interest rate. Everybody's waiting for the crude oil inventories as well. Specifically when we talk about the crude, so we see how the price started creating a lower highs, which is a big indication of future drops, as you can see here. So we got push, very important, $68 per barrel, pretty possible price of the crude oil for the next couple of days. About the crude inventories, it's obvious, and we just have to wait. USD Canadian, kind of similar. Canadian dollar is going down big time. That's why we see pushing down, pushing up, sorry, the USD CAD, because crude oil made a significant correction to the downside. And exactly because of this, we see this price action on the USD CAD. But if you're planning to take buy trades, definitely it's not gonna be the best idea, simply because, as you know, in a long term, US dollar could fall down even further. USD Swiss, my favorite. We talked about it. Pretty good opportunity, short opportunity I see here, because we're in a very strong downtrend. At the same time, as you can see here, if you focus on that part of the chart, you're going to see how the price is trying to push higher and higher, but it seems it's just not working out every time, just correcting itself. If we see this level broken 0.9120, that this definitely can be a test of 0.90. So USD Swiss looks promising, definitely in the future. And USD Japanese yen, one of my favorite currency pairs. Not exactly right now because it's not pretty logical, but USD Japan is definitely clear price action. We have a clear chart here. So the push down 80 pips. Let's see what's gonna happen with the Fed. I'm just gonna wait for the Fed to see what's gonna happen, and then I'm gonna take my trades. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos. Of course, share us and like us on the social medias. This is how you support our channel and helping to show this content to our audience. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Have fun, thumbs up, and expect my new video on Monday. Bye bye.